went to Lincoln. And then they went to a mine.
Tomorrow, like chicken.
It's by Sonia. Wash and they had a bit.
They had me. I don't know for other person. But it is sweet.
Now the sweet part is already white.
It is sweet.
You know get it. Madam. You know get it. Madam, you know get it.
So guys, this is what I bought from the market. This is tomato and pepper. I want to make small stew meat. Pepper again. Another meat. Stock fish. Crayfish. Palm oil. I have, but I just have to buy this one extra because of the kind of soup I want to make. Leaf, and I think I have fish here. Ooh, fish don't trick me. So I have this one fish. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. I want to make what we call water leaf and bitter leaf soup. I don't know if you guys have heard of that before. But anyways, when I was still working, I have one of my colleagues that is always, a mother will prepare it and she'll bring it for us to eat, okay? So I've been loving to cook it, but today is just the final day for me, so I just have to buy this. All of this that I buy, I'm going to divide it into two because I will make soup with it and I'll make small stew with it, okay? Because probably we'll be going to my mom-in-law's place, and then my husband needs to have something that he'll be eating before we come back. Anyways, let me go and rest first. Dada is preparing indomie for me. Once I'm done eating, then I'll start cooking. Sure, I'll carry you guys in the vlog. Only the tomato. Gidecek bu ha. They don't need to carry someone's stuff.
Baby,
do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
Bitter leaf
Bitter leaf
and water leaf soup.
Bitter leaf and water leaf. Jesus Christ. Jesus, this come and show the face of this soup. Sit down, sit down. Test it. Let's sit down. Oh yeah, sit.
not done, baby. But this that we have done tomorrow, like chicken,
Now your right hand be this.
Yeah.
How your right hand take wear ring?
Jesus.
My husband wear 2 rings.
So that they will know. If you're coming from this side, you will know.
What kind of the woman
Coming
is
from
this?
this side, you will know.
Chop. You know easy. I took time, effort.
Since 2 o'clock, we just finished now.
Jesus
Since
Christ,
2 o'clock.
oh. Guys, come on.
That's small.
Oh man, I don't eat but I eat again.
How's the chicken for you?
How's the chicken? Thank God, dude. Guys, Destiny. My boo is enjoying himself. Oh.
Go check out.
Who they check out? Whew. Hi guys, welcome back. Say hi. Say hi. Today is Victory's Day and we are here to make Victory happy, okay? So yeah, wedding things all the way. 3 married women celebrating an extra 1 married
Committee of friends, help me. Let everybody have the toast cup because we'll be having the toast immediately after the coming of cake. Please bring the cake of the 2 minutes around here. Thank you. We'll have a very facility because we are going to do a little bit of advertisement about because the cake is looking beautiful. Confirm. Is it beautiful? Please put your hands together for the company. So she's just going to tell us a little thing about London. Come on. You know this.